afraid to go off and do things on our own.
Today, systems manufacturers are under pressure to reduce time to market and optimize products to higher levels of performance and reliability. Often, to get there, they need to invest in very expensive tooling and software. At Rockwell Collins in Cedar Rapids, Iowa, they took it upon themselves to design their own 3D virtual prototype modeling system. It cost just $2,000 in materials, and they used high school interns to develop it. Ryan Wheeler, Rockwell Collins Materials and Processes Engineer, describes the system. Keep in mind as you watch this, our camera was shooting the 3D video signal during the demo.
So this is up on the deck right above us, and you can see people are walking around doing their job down on the factory floor. When I put on this head mount display, these cameras are going to be tracking its location in the lab here. Down here we are tracking the product, and that allows us to move it around without any training. Anybody can come in here. My 6-year-old and my 9-year-old could come in here and pick this up and start moving it around and very easily look at the front or the back. And my hand is also being tracked. So the way that this works is that the touchscreen computer monitor tells us what to do, and if we don't know what that part is, we can cheat and have the virtual environment show us what that part is. We can disassemble the product all the way and begin to step through its assembly one step at a time. And I can just continue going through this product, physically assembling and disassembling it, and if at some point I get to a point where I'm going to need to disassemble this unit, I'm going to need to get in here and maybe do some work. Right now, I'm experiencing this design as a 50th percentile male. That's the size of the hand model that we're using in here. I can touch that and it will bring it up to the size of a 95th percentile male, and you can see that that ends up making a really big difference in what I have access to inside of this design. I can shrink my hand size down now to a 5th percentile female, so I'm able to experience this design as a very petite-handed person and get an entirely different perspective of what the assembly of this product is going to be.
In addition to helping their own design efforts, Rockwell Collins is helping educate aspiring engineers by installing these low-cost VPM systems in several local schools.